Hello, networking enthusiasts. Welcome to the channel Go On. Today, I will show you how to set up a virtual testbed for SONiC. For it, we need three things. First, simulator, which is a GNS3 in our case. Second, GNS3 appliance file, .gns3a file. Third, .img, which is actually an VS image, virtual switch image for SONiC. So before starting of the video, I have downloaded all these three things. First, GNS3. Now here you can see this is a GNS3. .gns3a and .img file I have already downloaded. Here now I will go into the upload folder. Upload not SONiC images folder. Here we can see we have two things: SONiC vs.img file and .gns3a, which is appliance file. Now again I will go into GNS3, go into file, and then new template. Now here it is showing .gns3a extension. Now click on this. Now next, here go into home. Here we have SONiC images. Yes. Now we have to select this .gns3a. Open. Now install the appliance on your local computer. Now click on next. Next. Yes. Here we can see it is already found it locally, SONiC vs.img file. One thing we must notice is that if these two files are present in the same directory, then here it will show found locally. If these two files are present in different directory, then we have to search for it. Now click on this SONiC vs.img and then click on next. Yes. Here finish. Okay. I will change its name, SONiC Hamza. Okay. Yes. Here now I will check into the router category, devices category. Here we can see testbed has been set up for SONiC. Now I will start it. Now click enter. Yes. Now it is loading and it will take fraction of seconds. Yes. So our testbed has been set up for SONiC. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you want more videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel.